Are you frustrated by spam contacts in GetResponse and want to know how to block them effectively? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through the steps of blocking those unwanted contacts, and we'll also touch on some alternatives that might help you handle your email list a bit better. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share a special extended free trial to a tool that can make managing your list even easier. The first thing you need to know is that GetResponse does have tools to help you block spam contacts. Start by logging into your GetResponse account and navigating to your contacts list. From here, you'll want to look for the Segments option. Creating segments will help you filter out unwanted contacts. Next thing, within the segments, you can filter by things like activity status or engagement. Set your filters to look for inactive or suspicious contacts that might be flagged as spam. This helps you identify who's not engaging with your emails and can save you from keeping spammy contacts on your list. The third thing, once you've identified contacts that could be spam, it's time to take action. You can either remove these contacts manually, or better yet, you can set up an automation that removes these contacts after a certain period of inactivity or no engagement. This way, you're not constantly managing it yourself. Next, let's talk about using GetResponse's Blacklist feature. This is where you can specifically block known spam email addresses or domains. If you've been getting a lot of spam from specific sources, you can just block those directly by entering the email addresses or domains into the blacklist. This prevents those spammy addresses from getting into your system at all. But what if GetResponse doesn't quite meet all your needs when it comes to managing spam contacts? Well, there are some great alternatives out there. One notable tool is ActiveCampaign, which offers better automation and more advanced filtering options. If you're looking for a tool that really helps with spam management and offers more robust tools for list management, ActiveCampaign might be a better fit. The fifth thing, before we wrap up, I want to mention something important. While GetResponse is a solid tool, if you're serious about list hygiene and email deliverability, you might want to explore other platforms that offer more advanced features. That's why I've partnered with an alternative that provides an extended free trial, along with some exclusive benefits for our viewers. This is a great way to explore some more powerful tools for handling spam and improving your email list's health. To wrap it up, check the link in the description for that exclusive offer. It's a special deal available only to viewers of this video. Plus, you'll find great alternatives that might suit your goals even better. Don't miss out on those free trials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.